Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my flower choker. Now I'll make my flower choker. I'm folding this pattern piece in half, like that, using thread and a needle, and I'm gathering those two edges together, like that. I have gathered this pattern piece to approximately 30 centimeters. Now I'm securing the thread on the edge. So this is my pattern piece for the flower, looks like that. Next I'll prepare a choker strap. I'm folding this pattern piece in half and I'll sew straight stitch there. My choker strap width is 2 centimeters, and when I sew I stretch the strap slightly so the choker strap is stretchy. And here's my choker strap, nice and stretchy. Next I'm using these pinking shears and I'm cutting off excess seam allowance so the strap is thin. Next I'm using safety pin and I'm turning this strap to the right side. And here's my strap turned to the right side, looks like that. Next I'm ironing this strap flat. And here's my prepared choker strap, nice and flat. Next I'll create a flower from this pattern piece. I'm applying hot glue there, folding this corner like that. Then applying more glue on this gathered edge there, and I'm rolling this pattern around itself like that. Applying more glue and rolling this pattern around itself like that, holding that glue quite tightly so it sticks well, and applying more glue on the edge and applying more glue at the gathered edge, and I'm gluing this pattern piece together. And when I reach the end I glue this other corner on the edge there, and my flower is formed, looks like that. Next I'll prepare my choker strap. I'm using these fastening clasps, they look like that. I'm applying hot glue on the edge of this strap and I'm gluing that strap inside this fastening clasp. Just using a pin and I'm pushing that strap inside and using pliers and I'm squeezing that fastening clasp together. I'll repeat same process on the other side of this strap. And here's my prepared choker strap, looks like that. This is the right side, and where the seam is showing, that's the wrong side. Next, I will glue the flower on a strap. I'm applying hot glue off the center on this strap there, and I'm gluing this flower on top there, pressing quite hard so it sticks well, applying more glue on the sides of this strap there. I am pressing all layers together so they stick well. Next I'll glue on this felt fabric piece. I'm applying hot glue all around this circle fabric piece, and I'm gluing this fabric piece at the back of the flower so it hides the stitching and the glue. And my flower choker is finished. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. Now I'll try on my new flower choker. I will add all materials which I used to make this flower choker in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.